Chevy Tahoe and Suburban key fobs, especially models from 2015 onwards, use a CR2032 battery. Replacing it is a simple DIY task that takes about 5 to 10 minutes and costs under $5. You'll need a small flat screwdriver or coin. Pry open the fob case using the screwdriver or coin. Remove the old battery from the case. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive plus side facing up. Snap the case back together securely. Always test all buttons after replacement to ensure they work. Remember to avoid static electricity during the process. While newer models integrate with Chevy's My Chevrolet app for digital keys, physical battery replacement remains common. Ensure you use a CR2032 lithium battery. Incorrect polarity or battery type can damage the fob. Check the battery annually, as depleted batteries account for 20 to 25% of fob failures. If the fob doesn't work after replacement, ensure the battery is correctly installed and consider reprogramming at the dealership. Future trends include increased reliance on digital keys and longer-lasting, potentially rechargeable batteries. By 2030, physical key fob usage may decrease significantly, with electric Tahoe Suburban models potentially adopting wireless charging. Stay updated with software updates via the My Chevrolet app, as these can sometimes resolve fob issues without needing a battery replacement. OEM batteries can help to avoid corrosion of the fob's internals.